almost 9,000 years ago. After the last ice age, Europe was covered by temperate forest. During this period, known as the Mesolithic, these forested environments were home to groups of hunter-gatherers whose survival depended on bow hunting, fishing, and collecting. However, certain aspects of their everyday life and funerary practices remain poorly understood. In Luxembourg, at the foot of the sandstone cliffs lining the Black Urns Valley, lie a group of rock shelters containing exceptional prehistoric burials. Amongst the different burials discovered near the Loschbour stream, the detailed analysis of a cremation has helped reconstruct funerary rites at the end of the Middle Mesolithic. In 1935, a combustion structure was discovered in an area known as Loschbour during excavations by Nicholas Till, a school teacher from Heffingen, and Marcel Hoyerts, an anthropologist and future director of the Natural History Museum. Radiocarbon dating of a bone sample places this burial almost 7,000 years before present. Considered a hearth by the discoverers, this burial pit contained cinder, calcinated bones of different animals, and notably burnt bones from a human cremation. Recent anthropological research determined the bones belonged to an adult, more specifically, an older woman. One of the particular features of this cremation, and the only example currently known, is the presence of cut marks on certain cranial elements. These incisions are not random, but concentrate in the area where the scalp muscles attach to the skull. These cut marks produced by the sharp edge of a flint tool suggest that prior to cremation, the body of the deceased was deliberately altered, an intentional funerary practice designed to remove the scalp. This particular funerary rite, the removal of the scalp followed by cremation, involved actions that cannot be associated with cannibalism. For her final voyage, the Lady of Loschbour was adorned with several Bayonet lactite fossil shells that come from the tertiary outcrops of the Parisian Basin, some 200 kilometers west of Loschbour. The Loschbour cremation is one of the rare funerary expressions known from northwestern Europe, dating back to almost 7,000 years before present. This unique occurrence is attributed to Middle Mesolithic. It is also the oldest burial known from Luxembourg. This recent study of what is a spectacular cremation in terms of European prehistory sheds new light on the complex funeral rites and beliefs of the Mesolithic hunter-gatherers who inhabited the region some 9,000 years ago.